Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes. Yes guys, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Today we're just shooting this video just before Christmas, so you guys would see it today, Christmas Day. So alright, so we got the still Milwaukee deals here, 79 bucks for alright, you got drill driver, impact driver for 119. Looks like you got a 4-tool combo kit plus a flashlight for 199. You got 3 batteries there, 2 big batteries, a small battery for 129. Yeah, this $179 kit, it does include a pack out. It's the fuel with 2 3 amp hour CP batteries. And then you got that the 2-tool combo kit for $349 with the circular saw. And then you got that screwdriver for $119, or yeah. Then you got those 2 batteries for $99, like I said. You got the Joby 119 string trimmer edger blower combo kit. That's the blower. 69 bucks, and then $99 for this pressure washer. That's the one that I have. It works really good. We did see that for $68 on the Black Friday deals. And then this, they got this new one. I never seen this before. $349. It's an electrostatic, like a sprayer, like a mister, from Ryobi, 18 volt plus 1. So that's it. Yeah, that is a new tool, I believe. It's like a mister, like a really fine fogger type of mister. Alright, we got some Milwaukee deals here. $39.88 for that 20-piece set, oscillating bit set. As you guys see, you guys get some from wood, some wood saws or blades, and then you got some material, some metal blades there at the bottom, and then a sanding pad. You got that 50 piece for $29.97, and then $24.97 for that 45 piece. It's a really nice set there with the magnetic sleeve, socket drivers to the right, and that extension in the middle. $84.97 for the 13 piece hole dozer bimetal, the nice case. $24.88 for the Tylo Protect Pack with his marquee. Quick set. And then you got some Coast lamps there. $5.98 for the 3/8 by 100 diamond braid rope. $24.88 for the Shockwave 120 piece impact drill drive set. Those are the only ones that we have left. Actually, that's the only set that they have left. Does include some drill bits, some Phillips 1-inch bits. You got 2-gallon wet and dry vacuum, $99. That's a filter for $19.88 to the right. So if you have this vacuum, or if you were gonna get those filters. Then you got the axe and the torch. The only ones that are left are the torch, $11.97. These are really expensive. I would definitely recommend you guys getting these deals. Alright, you got the $29.97, the Shockwave Red Helix 15 piece. You got the Gerber multi-tool suspension NXT, $24.97. It's a great brand, Gerber. $29.97, 2-pack 12-inch 80 tooth Advanti. So if you guys are doing a lot of cutting, wood cutting, I would definitely recommend you guys stock up on these blades. $24.97. Then you got a pair of 60-tooth 10-inch. $9.97 for the 30-piece max fits. As you guys see there, it does include a 2-inch, and then some nut drivers of 1/4 5/16 and a magnetic sleeve. Some 1-inch bits there, squares. So you guys see there, $9.97, and then you got the Atomic 99 at the bottom, impact driver or drill driver. Or if you were doing the combo, 149 for the impact driver and drill driver for 149, which they don't have any left on this location, which is the much better deal, the 149 deal. Then I saw these, something I don't see in these stores. So there you got the bimetal oscillating tool with the 50 piece max fits for $19.88. That's definitely a great deal if you have an oscillating tool. And if you don't, this is another great deal, smoking deal here. $99 for the oscillating tool kit, which they don't have any more left. Then they got the 6-in-1 chalk reel kit, $9.88. That's the only one they have left. They don't have the knives. So that's 100 feet. $19.97 for the stud sensor, 9-inch torpedo level. So it's like a kit if you want, you're a DIY, if you want to hang your picture frame or something, or a TV. $29.88 for the 16-inch tool backpack. Seems like they're selling out on this side, but they still have a few on the other side. $9.88 for the 25-piece magnetic precision screwdriver set. And then you got the 6-in-1 screwdriver 2-pack. $49.97 for the 94-piece mechanics tool set. That's it right there with the nice case. $9.88 for the 6-piece impact socket adapter and the 3-piece. $39.98 for the 19-piece extension adapter set. So that's the 6-piece. And that's the 3-piece right there with the extensions. So you can run those sockets on your impact driver. So $39.97 for this 19-piece extension adapter set. I really like the set. It does include all kinds of swivels and universal bits and extensions. Got a breaker bar, 2-piece breaker bar, $19.97. I recommend you guys go somewhere else because these are really short breaker bars. You got the brushless multi-tool there. You got an impact rated 50 piece from Joby. Doesn't have a price. Yeah, a lot of these don't have prices, or they're on the wrong spot. $22.97, 120 volt wall outlet air inflator, and they only have that one. They don't have the one for the 12 volt car, for the car cigarette adapter. You got 1/4 50 by 50 polyurethane hose for $29.98. Got $8.97 for a 27 by 2 inch heavy duty ratchet tie downs. I like the handle on those. You can get a lot of leverage, tie them up really good. $24.97 for the 3-piece pry bar set. That's a nice set. I still need to pick up some. $14.97 for the 2-pack wrench racks and the 3-piece socket rack set, which we only have the wrenches. We don't have the socket set. $19.97 for the 46-piece stubbies tool set. It's great for a motorcycle or a smaller vehicle that you don't under the seat or something. Just have that for emergencies. Not too bad. You got 1/4 3/8 and drive ratcheting. Then you got that adjustable wrench, and then you got those specialty bits up there. $9.88 for the 6-piece impact adapter set and the 3-piece 10-inch. That's the 6-piece right there. Same as earlier. Then $29.97 for the 11-piece half-inch drive impact socket set. So if you got an impact gun, impact wrench, definitely recommend you guys pick up a set of these. You got the codes for $19.97. 435 lumen, or the 2-pack flashlights, which they are gone. That's a 435 lumen headlamp. $9.97 for the 3-pack 100 lumen headlights, or the 3-pack flashlights, which they still have them, and they are battery operated, by the way. $169 for the finished nailer and the brad nailer kit, or the pin nailer and finish nailer. They only have the pin, nail, and the finish. And they have this for $19.97, the 10-piece saw. Milwaukee saw blades with the nice clear case. You got basically 20 blades for $19.97, basically $1 a piece. Smoking deal there on that. $19.97 for the goatskin leather gloves from Milwaukee. Really nice gloves. Got the 5-piece scissor set, $7.97. It's a nice little set there, one for each drawer around the house. You got the 21-degree collated framing nailer, $2.49. These are great nailers. $14.88 for the 35-piece magnetic right angle attachment. They don't have any of those. They ran out. All they have is the other ones, the 19-piece. So for that, you would have to probably try and get it online. You got 9 3/4 aviation snips, $9.97 by Crescent. So those are the only ones that we have left. Got a buy one get one free Empire level, $9.88 for the 2-pack, and the $24.88 is gone. So got the DeWalt 160 piece. It looks like compatible with the Versa stack. Or the T stack, my bad. And then you got the flexibles here, the drill for $179, which is the bare tool. All these are bare tools, and you have to buy that battery, the 6-amp-hour battery and the charger, and you get that for free. So you only be paying $179 for that tool. So $69 for that folding workbench, and then $45 for the 2.0 middle smaller box. $149 if you could find it, because they're running out. I mean, they're hard to find. You know, the rolling toolbox is the first one to go fly out the store. That's the screw gun that we did have a sale. I believe we had one of these for like $200 with another tool. But just by itself, it's $199. It's the M12 installation drill driver. I really like this gun because it does have a lot of attachments. It does have a right angle, a regular drill attachment, and like an angled attachment there. So it does have different attachments for different situations, and it'll get you out of that problem area. You get this free if you buy any tool, and then you buy that $199 kit, which is the black tools, and you get a free battery. Or you buy that $149 kit and you get a free accessory case. That's the one with the free battery, so you have to buy that $199 kit, which is a great deal. That's the $149 with the free bit set. I wouldn't get that one. I would go for the black ones. And then that's the better kit there for $399. Then we're here at the knife section. We're seeing a lot of Milwaukee Fastbacks. Got that 2-pack for $19.97. It did go up on price. Then the single packs, $9.97, $8.97 for the basic one. And then you got the DeWalt's on this side, $14.97 for that Fastback like, and then $9.97 for the regular utility knife. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. I know this wasn't a big video or a lot of sales, because this is mostly going over what's already left in from the holiday deals. Anyways, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.